So what exactly is a trust? I'm Michael Redden, and that's what we're going to talk about today. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below, or if you'd like to speak with me or plan with me, then you can go to reddenlawoffice.com and schedule a planning session or click on the link below. So a trust, that's it's a legal construct, right? It's this kind of fiction, just like a company or an LLC is. But it's called a trust because it means we're trusting somebody to do something. So in general terms, what a trust is someone, it could be me. You can call me the trustmaker or the settlor, whatever you want to call it. If I gave you a car and I said, hey, could you hold on to this for me until my kids come back by and pick it up? If I don't come back, go find my kids and give it to them. That is at its core the smallest kind of piece of what a trust is. We wouldn't really go to the formality of looking at a trust for that or calling it that. But back at common law, some of those little bitty things could be that way. So a trust has to have the person who's trusting someone to do something. That would have been me in that scenario. I am the trust maker, the settlor. And then the trustee is the person who's being entrusted to do something. And that would have been you because I gave it to you. And then who would the beneficiaries have been? The beneficiaries could have been me when I came back and got it. Or if I didn't, then my children. So we have to have someone who makes a trust, someone who's being trusted to do something, and someone who is benefiting from that trust to make a trust happen. So that's really what you need to think about with it. And it's a kind of a legal fiction. And the trustee is the person who's being trusted to do something. They represent the trust. They conduct all the business on behalf of the trust. If the trust is to go into court, it's based on the trustee. If they have investment accounts, or if they own property, it's in the trustee's name as trustee. And just like corporations and things like that, these things don't just die because a person does. In many places in the state, in the country now, some of these trusts could last 1,000 years or forever. Everywhere in the country, trusts can last at least for about 100 years. So we're looking at entrusting someone with an asset for the benefit of another person. And that's really what a trust is. Think about it in those terms. And that's why a lot of us would want a trust rather than a will, because the will, we're just saying, hey, court, look at this document and dispose of things. With a trust and things in that nature, we don't have to be dead for one. We can take our property and give it to someone else to manage for the benefit of our heirs and other people. So that at its core is what a trust is. And we can give all kinds of instruction to the trustee. We can say be miserly with this. We can say don't let them have any of this benefit unless they're going to college, unless they have a job. Or we can say, hey, look, I want them to have the best in life, so make them live very comfortably. And we can say things like, hey, don't use this to pay any of their creditors. If they make bad decisions, don't pay for it that way. Don't pay for those bad decisions. You hold on to it and you just provide the benefit directly in the form of a house or in the form of paying their bills and things like that. And when it's being held by the trustee and owned by the trustee, it's not owned by the beneficiary. So it's not able to be taken in a divorce and things like that. But that's basically what a trust is. And they're a very valuable tool both in business and estate planning and really any kind of long-term financial planning for your family that doesn't have at its core that profit motive. Trusts can own businesses, but they're not businesses themselves. They have some of that character there. So again, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment below. If you'd like to plan with me, then click on the link or go to reddenlawoffice.com and schedule a planning session.